Hello students, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing very well. So students, do you know who I am? I am your teacher and my name is Manisha Jha. Students, हम साइंस की बुक में क्या क्या पढ़ते हैं? साइंस में हम लिविंग थिंग्स, नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स, वाटर, सन, मून, स्टार्स और भी कई सारी चीज़ों के बारे में जानते हैं. तो बच्चों, आज का जो चैप्टर है वो है लाइट, शैडोज, रिफ्लेक्शन. Stepping up, what is light? Sources of light: opaque, transparent and translucent objects, shadows, pinhole camera, reflection of light and periscope. What is light? When you enter a dark room, you cannot see anything clearly, but when an electric bulb is switched on, everything becomes visible. The bulb emits invisible energy called light. When light falls on an object, it gets scattered in all directions. The light scattered by an object enters our eyes, which send a message to the brain. The brain actually sees the object. बच्चों, जब आप डार्क रूम में जाते हैं तो आपको कुछ भी क्लियरली दिखाई नहीं देता, लेकिन जैसे ही आप इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब का स्विच ऑन करते हैं तो सारी चीज़ें आपको दिखाई देने लग जाती है, क्योंकि जैसे ही जो लाइट है वो किसी भी चीज़ पर पड़ती है तो उसके बाद वो चीज़, उसका जो रिफ्लेक्शन है वो हमारी आंखों में जाता है. हमारी आंखें जो है वो मैसेज भेजती हैं हमारे ब्रेन तक और हमारा ब्रेन एक्चुअली चीज़ों को देखने लगता है. सोर्सेज ऑफ लाइट: एंड any object which emits light is called a source of light. The sources of light can be grouped under two categories. जो sources of light है उनको दो कैटेगरीज में उनको विभाजित किया गया है, बांटा गया है, ग्रुप किया गया है. आगे बढ़ने से पहले आ जाते हैं फैक्ट बॉक्स पर. Thus we can see that light is an invisible form of energy which stimulates the sense of vision. In this chapter we shall study about various phenomena related to light. बच्चों, हालांकि हम कहते हैं कि लाइट जो है वो एक इनविजिबल फॉर्म है एनर्जी का, जो कि हमारे सेंस के विजन को स्टिमुलेट करता है. इस चैप्टर में हम पढ़ेंगे वेरियस फिनोमिना रिलेटेड टू लाइट. अब आ जाते हैं नेचुरल सोर्सेज ऑफ लाइट पर. दो सोर्सेज ऑफ लाइट विच ऑकर इन नेचर आर कॉल्ड नेचुरल सोर्सेज ऑफ लाइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, sources of light: any object which emits light is called a source of light. The source of light can be grouped under two categories. One is natural sources of light. Those sources of light which occur in nature are called natural sources of light. For example, the important natural sources of light is the sun. Even though it is 150 million kilometers away from the earth, it gives enough light to make the day bright and warm for us. बच्चों, जो most important natural sources है लाइट का वो है सन. हालांकि ये 150 मिलियन किलोमीटर दूर है हमारे अर्थ से, लेकिन फिर भी ये हमें इतना इनफ लाइट पहुंचा देता है जिससे डे की जो ब्राइटनेस है और जो वार्मनेस है वो हमें मिल पाता है. द इन्यूमरेबल स्टार्स दैट वी सी इन night sky are other natural sources of light. Beside the sun and the stars, some living creatures like glowworm or firefly called jugnu also emit light. Lantern fishes found in the deep sea also give out light from their body. मैन मेड और आर्टिफिशियल सोर्सेज ऑफ लाइट: वो लाइट जो मैन मेड होती है यानी आर्टिफिशियल होती है. Those sources which have been made by men are called man-made sources of light. For example, candles, oil lamps, earthen lamps, lanterns, gas lamps, electric bulbs, LED bulbs, fluorescence tube, torches, tube light, etc. all are man-made sources of light which enable us to see the things even when sun is not there. ये वो सारी चीज़ें हैं, ये वो सारी man-made यानी artificial sources of light है. जब actual sun की light हमारे पास नहीं होती है तो यही light हमारी help करती है. Luminous and non-luminous bodies: those objects which give out their own light are called luminous objects. The luminous objects are also sources of light. For example, sun, stars, candle and bulb. Fact box: some luminous non-luminous object on strong heating start glowing and become luminous. An iron rod glows on heating but on cooling it again becomes non-luminous. Those objects which do not give out light on their own are called non-luminous objects. These become visible only when light falls on them. Chair, car, tree and man. Moon, Earth and other planets are non-luminous bodies. They shine only when sunlight is reflected from their surfaces. Hot and cold sources of light. The sun is the brightest and hottest source of light for us. Fire always gives out heat. A glowing bulb is hot. What if we go near the stars? Will we feel the heat? Yes, stars are also hot because they are very far from us. We don't feel their heat. However, some sources of light are cold. A firefly, a tube light, a CFL are cold sources of light. Opaque, transparent and translucent objects. Based on the way materials transmit light, they can be divided into transparent, opaque and translucent objects. Those objects which do not allow light to pass through them are called opaque objects. Some examples are wood, door, brick, etc. ये वो objects होते हैं जो अपने से लाइट को पास नहीं होने देते. Objects that allow light completely to pass through them are called transparent objects which are able to see through them like a glass pane, water and air. बच्चों ये transparent objects वो transparent object होते हैं जो अपने से लाइट को पास होने में बिल्कुल हेल्प करते हैं, बिल्कुल पास होने देते हैं. Some objects through which we can see but not very clearly are translucent objects. These objects allow light partially to pass through them. Examples are tissue paper, butter paper, cell phone paper and plastic. ये कौन से ये क्या होते हैं? Translucent objects होते हैं, यानी ये अपने से कुछ ही लाइट को पास होने देते हैं, यानी पूरी तरीके से लाइट को पास नहीं होने देते. Some typical examples of opaque, transparent and translucent materials are listed below. Opaque substances दिए गए हैं, transparent substance दिए गए हैं, translucent substance दिए गए हैं. सबसे पहले opaque substance, rock piece, aluminium sheet, mirror, wooden porade, compact disc CD, wall, carbon paper sheet, cardboard sheet. Transparent substance, air, water, sheet of plain glass, cell phone sheet. ट्रांसकुलेंट सब्सटेंस, पॉलीथीन शीट, वैक्स पेपर, ग्राउंडेड ग्लास. अब आते हैं एक्टिविटी 1 पर. टेक डिफरेंट मटेरियल्स लाइक अ कार्डबोर्ड, नोटबुक, अ सेल फोन शीट, प्लास्टिक स्केल, इरेजर, हैंकरचीफ, अ ग्लास, tracing paper, pencil box and place them in front of your eyes one by one and look through them at a far away object with light behind you. What do you observe? Is there any difference between the various objects? Note down your observation, what you do infer. बच्चों यहाँ पर आपको अपना जो आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन है उसको नोट डाउन करना है और इस एक्टिविटी को परफॉर्म करना है. इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा. Light travels in straight line. Light travels in a straight line. When you shine a torch in the dark, light appears to go straight outwards. The light from the cinema projector also appears to take a straight path to the screen. These observations show the light travel in a straight line. You will find that the flame can only be seen when the holes are exactly in a straight line. If you disturb one of the cardboard, you will no longer able to see the candle flame. The property of light and traveling in straight line is rectilinear propagation of light. अब आते हैं एक्टिविटी 2 पर. टेक अ स्ट्रॉ, एक स्ट्रॉ लीजिए, प्लेस अ लाइटेड कैंडल ऑन अ टेबल. लाइटेड कैंडल को टेबल पर रखिए. लुक एट द कैंडल थ्रू द स्ट्रॉ व्हाइल स्टैंडिंग एट द other end of the table. Can you see the candle? Now bend the straw slightly. Again look at the candle. Can you still see the candle? You will not be able to see the candle. This shows that light travels in straight lines. Rectilinear propagation of light. यानी light जो है वो straight line में ही travel करती है. Shadows. You know that light travels in a straight line. If an opaque substance is kept between the source of light and a screen, the light does not pass through it. We can say that shadow of the substance on the screen remains unlighted. The unlighted portion is the shadow. When we walk in the sunshine, our shadow moves with us. If we stop, our shadow will also stop. If we are facing the sun, our shadow falls behind us. In the daytime, we see the shadows of trees, animals, buildings, houses, vehicles and people. डे टाइम पर यानी दिन के समय में हम कई सारी चीज़ों के शेडोज देखते हैं. यानी जब हम सन की तरफ मुंह करके होते हैं, हमारा शेडो हमारे पीछे चला जाता है और कई सारे शेडोज को हम पूरे दिन भर में देखते हैं, फिर चाहे वो बिल्डिंग्स के हो, हाउसेस के हो, व्हीकल्स के हो, लोगों के हो, एनिमल्स के हो या फिर ट्रीज के हो। Activity 3, take a few opaque objects in the sunlight, hold them one by one slightly above the ground. You will see dark patches formed by each on the ground. These are the shadows. Can you identify the object by simply looking at the shadow? Sometimes it may be possible and sometimes it may not be possible. Testing time. मैच द फॉलोइंग, कॉलम ए को कॉलम बी के सही आंसर के साथ में मैच करना है। बटर पेपर, ट्रांसक्यूलेंट। बच्चों इसी तरीके से आगे की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। Activity 4, stand in the open field in the light where there is no light along with your friend. See that there is no tree or building behind your friend. Shine a torch on your friend's face. Do you see a shadow of your friend? Now ask another friend to hold a sheet of cardboard or paper behind him. What do you see? You will see your friend's shadow. This shows that you need a screen to form a shadow. आप देख सकते हैं no shadow is seen and then a shadow is seen. Activity 5, place a book near a white wall. Direct a beam of light on the book from a distance. Observe the shadow on the wall. Now move the torch closer to the book. Observe what happens. Note down your observation size of the shadow. What do you understand from this? बच्चों आप एक बुक को व्हाइट वॉल के पास में रखिए, उसके बाद डायरेक्ट जो बीम ऑफ लाइट है उस बुक पर एक डिस्टेंस से डालिए और ऑब्जर्व कीजिए जो शेडो है वॉल की, और उसके बाद में अब आप मूव कर दीजिए टॉर्च को बुक के एकदम क्लोज में। अब आप क्या ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, आपको अपनी ऑब्जर्वेशन को लिखना है, आप इसे क्या समझे हैं, इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। Fact box, light is the fastest thing to travel in universe. It travels at 3 लाख किलोमीटर पर सेकेंड। लाइट जो है वो फास्टेस्ट ट्रैवल उसे माना जाता है पूरे यूनिवर्स का, क्योंकि ये पर सेकेंड 3 लाख किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करता है। The shadow gets smaller as the distance between the object and the source of light increases. No shadow is seen at a stage when the distance between the screen and the object becomes too big. Our shadow changes in light and directions during the day as the sun changes its position in the sky. You can try looking at distant objects like a tree or a building through your pinhole camera. It must, however, be made certain that the objects you wish to see are in bright sunlight. You will have to slide the inner box backward or forward till you get a picture on the tracing paper. Remember to cover your head and the camera with a black piece of cloth. Testing time, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Non-luminous objects are of two types. बच्चों आगे की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। Pinhole camera. A pinhole camera is an opaque rectangular box with a tiny pinhole in the center of one its faces. It is based on the principle of rectilinear propagation of light. You must have seen while watching a movie in a theater that light from a projector travels in straight lines to the screen. आपने प्रोजेक्टर में देखा होगा, मूवी के प्रोजेक्टर में, कि जो लाइट है वो ट्रैवल करती है एकदम स्ट्रेट लाइन में। Activity 6. Take 2 cardboard boxes, shoe box, so that one can slide inside another with no gap between them. Cut one side of each box, make a small hole in the center of the bigger box opposite of the cut side, figure A. In the second box, cut a square about 5 into 6 cm and cover with a tracing paper, figure B. Now slide the smaller box in the larger box so that the side with the tracing paper is inside, figure C. The pinhole camera is ready for use. Place a source of light like a torch or a candle in front of the camera and look at the screen. You will see the image of the candle on the screen, however the image will be inverted. Do you know that a pinhole camera exists in nature also? Have you seen circular images of sunlight when passing through a tree covered with a large number of trees? These images are actually the pinhole images of the sun. The gaps between the leaves act as pinholes. Advantages of a pinhole camera. Pinhole camera की क्या-क्या advantages हैं? A pinhole camera has the following advantages. No focus is required. कोई focus की requirement नहीं होती है. There is no lens in pinhole camera. Therefore, the image is free from spherical and chromatic aberrations. बच्चों कोई भी लेंस ज़रूरी नहीं है, क्योंकि होता ही नहीं है पिनहोल कैमरा में, इसलिए जो इमेजेस है वो स्फेरिकल और क्रोमेटिक एब्रिविएशन की होती है। डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ अ पिनहोल कैमरा. पिनहोल कैमरा हैज द फॉलोइंग डिसएडवांटेजेस. हमने एडवांटेजेस तो जान ली, अब जान लेते हैं इसके डिसएडवांटेजेस क्या क्या हैं. द इमेज फॉर्म डज नॉट गिव एनी डिटेल्स. यूजुअली द image is hazy. Image is obtained on the screen. No permanent record of the image can be obtained. Pinhole camera cannot be used for studying moving objects. अब आते हैं reflection of light पर. We see objects because they reflect light. When light fall on the surface of an object, it may be observed, transmitted or reflected. If an object absorb all the light which falls on it, then it will appear perfectly black. For example, a blackboard appears black because most of the light falling on the blackboard is observed very light. Little light is reflected from it. If an object transmits the light, that is, if the object allows the light to pass through itself, the object is said to be transparent. For example, an ordinary glass transmits most of the light that falls on it, hence appearance transparent. However, most of the objects reflect some of the light which falls on their surface. For example, a polished silver mirror reflects back more than 5% of the light falling on it. From this, we conclude that when light falls on the surface of an object, some of it is sent back. The process of sending back the light rays which fall on the surface of an object is called reflection of light. Silver metal is one of the best reflectors of light. Silver metal जो है वो light के reflectors का best reflector माना जाता है. Ordinary mirrors are made by depositing a thin layer of silver metal on one side of a plain glass sheet. The reflection of light in a plain mirror or any other mirror takes place at the silver surface in it. The amount of light that is reflected depends on the material and nature of the surface on which the light falls. Now we will learn about important points to remember. An opaque body absorbs some of the light that falls on its reflects and remaining light. A transparent body like glass of water transmits all the light, that is, it allows almost all the light to pass through it and reflects only a major part of it. A smooth, shining surface like a mirror reflects away most of the light that falls on it. Objects and images. Object, anything which give out light rays, either its own reflected by it, it is called an object. In a ray diagram, the point objects are represented by a dot and extended objects are represented by a drawing and arrow pointing upwards. Images, when we look into a monitor, we see our face. What we see in the mirror is actually a reflection of our face and it is called image of our face. Hence, any reproduction of physical object found by light reflected in a mirror is called image. Now, regular and irregular diffuse reflection. Observe the two illustrations shown as follows. In illustration A, the entire light that falls on the surface is reflected in a definite direction. Such a reflection is called a regular reflection. Regular reflection takes place when the light beam falls on a highly polished surface. The surface is called a reflector. In illustration B, the parallel rays that are incident on the surface are seen to reflect in all directions and spread out over a wide area. Such a reflection is called diffuse reflections and the surface is called a diffuse reflector. Diffuse reflection occurs when the light falls on rough, uneven surfaces such as blotting paper. Activity 7. To show the image formation by a plane mirror, take a plane mirror and place it upright with the help of stand. Now place a light candle before it. The light will be thrown in all directions from the flame of the candle O. To understand how the image is formed, let us take 2 points A and B on the mirror on which the incident rays OA and OB fall respectively. These rays reflected from the mirror, we see reflected rays AC and BD respectively. The reflected rays appear to reach the eyes from a point 1 behind the mirror. Literal inversion. In a plane mirror, that right side of an object appears to be the left side of the image and the left side of the object appears to be the right side of the image. To understand this effect, stand in front of a mirror and raise your right hand. Which hand is raised in your image? You will observe that your left hand is seen raised in the image. The left-right inversion of the object and its image is known as lateral inversion. Differences between an image and a shadow. एक image और shadow में क्या differences होते हैं? Some differences between an image and a shadow are given in the following table. यहाँ पर images दिए गए हैं और shadows दिए गए हैं, उनके differences दिए गए हैं. image. An image of the same color as the object. It has all details that object has. It undergoes lateral inversion. Now we will talk about shadow. A shadow is always black. Some part of it may be of grey color. It is similar in the shape of the object and does not give any other detail about the object. It does not undergo lateral inversion. Now we will learn some uses of plane mirror. प्लेन मिरर के क्या क्या यूजेस हैं? प्लेन मिरर्स आर यूज्ड एज अ लुकिंग ग्लास. दे आर यूज्ड इन showrooms, barber salons, etc. in order to enable a person to see at once not only the front of view of himself but also the back and side views. They are used in the construction of instruments like the periscope and kaleidoscope. In solar cookers, plane mirrors are used as reflectors. Plane mirrors are used in signaling by armed forces. Periscope. The periscope is a device which gives us a higher view than normal. By using a periscope, we can see the objects on the other side of a high wall. Without having to climb over the wall, a periscope can also be used to see over the heads of crowd. Say in football match, a soldier sitting in a trench can observe the enemy activities above the ground by using a periscope. By using a periscope, a person sitting in a submarine can see ships over the surface of the area, even though the submarine itself may be submerged underwater. A periscope is made by using two plane mirrors. We will now describe the construction and working of a simple periscope. A periscope consists of a long tube T having two mirror M1 and M2 fitted at its two ends. The two plane mirrors are arranged in such a way that they are parallel to one another and their reflecting surfaces face each other. However, each plane mirror makes an angle of 45 degrees with the side of the tube. There are two holes in the periscope tube. One hole is in front of the top mirror M1 and the other hole is in the front of the bottom mirror M2. We will now describe the working of a periscope. A periscope works on the reflection of light from two parallel plane mirrors arranged parallel to one another. The working of a periscope will become clear from the following example. In the figure, there is a tree behind a high wall which we cannot see directly. However, we can see this tree by using a periscope as follows. The upper hole of periscope is turned towards the object to be seen. Here a tree, so that mirror M1 faces the object and we look into the periscope from the bottom hole in front of lower mirror M2. The light rays coming from the tree fall on the plane mirror M1. Mirror M1 reflects these rays of light towards the mirror 2. The mirror 2 then reflects the light towards the eye of the person looking into periscope through the lower hole. Since the light ray coming from the tree enter the eye, it is possible to see the image of the tree in the lower mirror M2 even though the tree cannot be seen directly. फैक्ट बॉक्स एंड इमेज प्रोवाइड्स ऑल द डिटेल्स ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट सच एज इट्स साइज, कलर एक्सेट्रा. एक इमेज जो है वो ऑब्जेक्ट के हर एक डिटेल्स को प्रोवाइड कर देती है, साइज, कलर और भी चीजें. लाइट इज एन इनविजिबल फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. लाइट जो है एनर्जी का एक इनविजिबल फॉर्म है. नाउ कीवर्ड्स. ल्यूमिनस ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच have light of their own, non-luminous object which do not have light of their own, transparent, an object which allows light to pass through it. Shadow, region of absence of light, reflection, bouncing back of light into the same medium. Mirror, a surface which can reflect light. Sum up now. Light is a form of energy. Luminous objects have light of their own. Non-luminous objects do not produce light of their own. Non-luminous objects are of three kinds: transparent, translucent and opaque. Transparent objects allow light to pass through them. Opaque objects do not allow light completely to pass through them. An object that allows light to pass through it partially is called translucent. Light travels in straight line. The shape of the shadow depends on the shape of the object, the position of the source of light and the size of the source of light. A pinhole camera is based on the principle that light travels in a straight line. The image formed on the screen is inverted. Mirror reflects light and gives us clear images. It changes the direction of light falling on it. A shadow and an image are very different from each other. Practice zone, assessment of learning outcome, objective type. Select and tick the correct answer. Which of the following is not an artificial source of light? That is sun. बच्चों आगे की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा. Fill in the blanks. नेचुरल सोर्स ऑफ लाइट ऑकर इन नेचर। बच्चों आगे की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। अब आ जाते हैं राइट ट्रू और फॉल्स पर। शेडोज कैन बी सीन इवन इन डार्क, फॉल्स। आगे की प्रैक्टिस इसी प्रकार से खुद से कीजिएगा। सब्जेक्टिव टाइप वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस। बच्चों यहाँ जो क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं उनके आंसर आपको काफी शॉर्ट में देना है, इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। अब आते हैं शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चंस पर। यहाँ पर जो क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं इनके आंसर आपको शॉर्ट में देना है, चैप्टर की मदद से इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। लॉन्ग आंसर क्वेश्चंस। बच्चों यहाँ जो क्वेश्चंस दिए गए हैं उनके आंसर्स आपको ब्रीफली देना है, चैप्टर की मदद से इन क्वेश्चन के आंसर की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। अब आ जाते हैं हायर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल यानी हॉट्स पर। यू आर होल्डिंग अ पेन इन योर राइट हैंड। इफ यू वर टू वॉच योर रिफ्लेक्शन इन द मिरर, विच हैंड डू यू थिंक विल बी होल्डिंग द पेन? डू यू थिंक यू विल बी एबल टू सी अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑन योरसेल्फ इन अ मिरर इन अ डार्क रूम? क्या आप डार्क रूम में अपने रिफ्लेक्शन को मिरर में देख पाएंगे? इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। क्रिएटिविटी जोन, फिजिकल मीडिया डेवलपमेंट, पीएमडी, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग। कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग डायग्राम। बच्चों यहाँ जो डायग्राम दिया गया है उसको आपको कंप्लीट करना है, इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। ग्रुप डिस्कशन, लाइट इज द ग्रेटेस्ट गिफ्ट ऑफ गॉड टू मैनकाइंड, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ शेडो। बच्चों इनके ऊपर आपको ग्रुप डिस्कशन करना है, इसकी प्रैक्टिस अपने दोस्तों के साथ आप खुद से कीजिएगा, अपने क्लासमेट्स के साथ में। प्ले वे लर्निंग, ट्राई टू फॉर्म शेडो बाय योर हैंड्स टू रिजेंबल बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स लाइक अ बटरफ्लाई, बियर, डॉग, डियर एक्सेट्रा। बच्चों आप फिगर में देख सकते हैं, इसी तरीके से आपको भी इसकी प्रैक्टिस खुद से करनी है। Experiential skill, make a project on at least 5 different types of stars in the universe. Compare the different stars with sun in relation to its size, shape, temperature, distance from the earth, etc. Make a PowerPoint presentation on lunar and solar eclipses. बच्चे इसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से कीजिएगा। स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आज की क्लास में हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा। अब आप इसकी प्रैक्टिस खुद से करते रहिएगा।